The flight of dreams. I always dreamt of soaring high, beyond the horizon, like the majestic birds I saw migrating across the vast Indian sky. Reminisces Avani, her eyes sparkling with a hint of nostalgia. But my dreams, like those birds, seemed to be confined to the pages of my geography textbook. Avani, a brilliant student with a thirst for knowledge, always felt limited by the constraints of her local education system. She yearned for a global perspective, a chance to learn from the best minds in the world. But the path to international education seemed daunting, a labyrinth of complex procedures and overwhelming information. Then, she discovered First Advice. First Advice, with its user-friendly online platform, became her guide, her compass, and her wings. The platform, a treasure trove of information, provided Avani with a comprehensive overview of universities worldwide, their courses, eligibility criteria, and even the cost of living. The personalized counseling sessions with First Advice experts were a game changer. They patiently addressed all her queries, from visa applications and financial aid options to cultural nuances and accommodation choices. The team's personalized approach and unwavering support instilled in Avani the confidence she needed to take flight. Today, Avani is pursuing her passion for astrophysics at a renowned university in the United States. She is living her dream, exploring new horizons, and making lifelong friends from across the globe. First Advice wasn't just a platform. Avani reflects, a smile gracing her lips. It was a launchpad, propelling me towards my aspirations. It made my dream of studying abroad a reality. First Advice, your gateway to a world of opportunities.